Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. TechnoTalks here. So today I have another case unboxing for y'all, and this time I have a case from Google. This is Google's fabric case for the Pixel 4a 5G. Generally I've never used a Google case before. I usually just go and buy a Spigen case or some other brand's case, a third-party brand case, just because I feel like the cases that companies sell do cost a little too much. Like this case right here is $40. I haven't tested it out, so I'm not sure if it's worth that money. That's why I have it today right in front of y'all, just to see how well this case is, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So let us begin. Let's first examine the box real quick. There's nothing too special. It has a clean, simple design. It looks pretty nice. Slim design as well. We have our case in front right here, and then we have the Google logo with the phone name or whichever device you have. And then the back just has some other things. Fabric case, case made from over 70% recycled material. So some things back there which aren't too important and you don't need to read them. Other than that, everything else is pretty simple. So let's go ahead and see how we open this. There's a pull tab. Let me go ahead and get that right there and pull that off. And then let us open this if I can manage to. Okay. And we are greeted with another pull tab, which allows us to access our case. Let's check the inside of the box. Anything special in there? Nope, nothing in there. So let's put that to the side and check out our case. Let's put that to the side as well and look at what we have in here. So we have this little cardboard cutout, which just allows the case to stand on top of it. So it's in there, and that's why they have it. Other than that, there's nothing else in there. So let's go ahead and move on to the case. First impressions, the case looks pretty good. It feels pretty nice, but the design is a little weird. Not exactly sure if I enjoy it a lot or if I like it. We do have the colored power button still, so they still have that right there. It doesn't have the same color for all of them, which is pretty nice. Still shows like the color of the power button on your phone. Like right here, we have the white right there for the Pixel 4a 5G. Also, we have our Google logo on the back, which is white color. It's like a little bluish, but it's a white color. And we have our fingerprint sensor cutout plus our camera cutout. Also, we have our headphone jack cutout right there, our 3.5mm headphone jack. And what else do we have? So the inside is like the soft touch fabric. Feels pretty nice. Prevents it from scratching, I guess. And then we also have like some other things. I guess that means it's a recycled thing. I'm not exactly sure what those logos mean. And then we have our Google Pixel 4a 5G writing right there, which just gives you an idea of which device this is for. So let me go ahead and get the phone right here. I have it right here. Let me go ahead and plop it in and see how easy it is to put in. And that's it. It's pretty easy. So first impressions. It does make the phone feel a little bigger, obviously, which isn't the best. I generally go for a slimmer case, but so far it feels pretty nice. It does give it a nice feel to it. I'm able to access everything easily. And then my camera cutout is perfectly made for this. It is a little raised, so your camera doesn't get damaged. Also, the buttons are easy to click. I have no hard time. Maybe the volume rocker. This is a little weird. Yeah, the volume rocker area is a little hard to press. I definitely recommend other cases for this, but the power button is easy to click, which is nice. Also, everything else just feels pretty nice. Our cutout down here is perfectly made. Obviously, Google is making a case for their own device, so it should be perfectly made. But generally, I'd say $40 for this case isn't worth it. If you were going for other cases, you could go for Spigen cases, which are really nice, and you would not be disappointed. Also, the buttons are easier to click on those cases, but this one, as I said, it's really hard to press on the volume rocker for some reason, which is kind of annoying, and I would definitely not recommend it for that reason. But other than that, this case does feel pretty nice. If this was $20, I definitely recommend it, but for the price of $40 USD, I'd say go for other cases. So that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.